Igbo mythology and folklore. Ngwere, the tortoise, and Ngwere, the lizard. A tale of cunning and retribution. Once upon a time, in the heart of Igbo land, the rains ceased and the rivers dried up. The once abundant land faced a scarcity of salt and essential ingredients for preserving food and adding flavor to their meals. The animals in the forest were desperate and their supplies dwindled rapidly. Among these animals were Ngwere, the tortoise, known for his cunning nature, and Ngwere, the lizard, known for his slyness. In their desperation, the Council of Chiefs in the animal kingdom decided to send a representative to a market in a faraway town that still had salt. After much deliberation, Ngwere the tortoise volunteered, promising to return with enough salt for everyone. The animals decided to trust him with the mission, since they figured that for once, Ngwere's cunningness might serve to their advantage to bring back salt from the faraway land. So, Ngwere set out early one morning, determined to fulfill his mission. The journey was long and tedious, but Ngwere finally reached the town and bought a large bag of salt. Proud of his accomplishment, he began to trek back home. His mind was filled with thoughts of the praise and gratitude he would receive. As Ngwere made his way through the forest, he encountered Ngwere, the lizard. Ngwere greeted him with feigned friendliness, and noticing the bag of salt, he quickly concocted a plan to steal it. Pretending to be concerned for Ngwere's welfare, Ngwere suggested they rest together for a while and share a meal. Ngwere, tired from his journey and not suspecting any foul play, agreed. While Ngwere napped, Ngwere seized the opportunity. He stealthily took the bag of salt and disappeared into the forest. When Ngwere awoke, he was devastated to find the salt gone. Realizing he had been tricked, he slowly made his way back home, empty-handed and humiliated. When the Council of Chiefs were asked to judge the matter, they declared that no foul play had taken place since it was just Ngwere's word against Ngwere's. Years passed, but Ngwere never forgot the betrayal. He bided his time, waited for the perfect moment to exact his revenge. One day, as he was pondering his plight, he noticed Ngwere basking in the sun on the rock, his long tail twitching lazily. An idea began to form in Ngwere's mind. Ngwere approached Ngwere with a proposition. He suggested they work together to build a better future for the animals of the forest, promising riches and comfort. Ngwere, greedy and always eager for more, rapidly agreed. As they walked side by side, Ngwere carefully observed Ngwere's habits and weaknesses. His goal was to stay as close to Ngwere as possible. One day, as they strolled side by side in the forest, heavy rain began to pour down from the sky. Ngwere noticed how Ngwere ran to a small cave nearby to hide from the rain. But the cave did not cover the lizard's tail, so while Ngwere was distracted with hiding in the cave, Ngwere struck. Using a sharp blade he had fashioned from a stone, he cut off the lizard's tail, the source of his pride. Ngwere screamed in pain and rage, but it was too late. Ngwere calmly reminded him of the stolen salt and how betrayal comes with a price. Ngwere, now tailless, scurried away humiliated and defeated. When the matter was brought before the Council of Chiefs, they declared that no foul play had taken place, since it was just Ngwere's word against Ngwere's. From that day forward, Ngwere the lizard was known for always running around with no one chasing, out of fear for his tail, a constant reminder of his deceit. The animals of the forest learned to be wary of cunning and treachery, and Ngwere's tale was told for generations. Lessons from this folktale. Number 1. Betrayal has consequences. The story teaches that betrayal and deceit can lead to severe repercussions. Ngwere's treachery cost him his tail and his dignity. Number 2. Patience and timing. Mbe's patience in waiting for the right moment to exact his revenge shows that sometimes timing is crucial when addressing wrongs. Number 3. Cunningness can be double-edged. Both Mbe and Ngwere use their cunning in different ways. While cleverness can be an asset, it can also backfire if used for malicious purposes. Number 4. Trust and deception. The tale underscores the importance of being cautious about whom to trust and the potential dangers of deception. Number 5. Long-term impact of actions. The lasting consequence of Ngwere's actions, his short tale, serves as a reminder that the effects of our actions can endure far into the future. This folktale of Mbe the Tortoise and Ngwere the Lizard imparts timeless lessons about trust, cunning, and the long-term consequences of our actions. It is a tale that continues to resonate from generation to generation, teaching us the values of honesty, patience, and the importance of integrity in our interaction with others. Igbo mythology and folklore.